Hi guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. So today I'm participating in the $5 DIY challenge for spring hosted by Miss Vee and Bum Bea Designs. Now in this challenge they asked us to create a DIY with items and the DIY should only total $5. So I'm showing you guys right now the items that I picked up from the 99 cents only store. So this rabbit ears were 99 cents. Both of these ribbons were also 99 cents. And you guys know I have a huge ribbon collection, so I probably really didn't even need to buy any ribbon, but I wanted to make sure that I had something with this spring look. I wanted, you know, these little florals on it like that. So that's why I got that, and I picked this one up just in case. Now, and this hat from the 99 cents only store was $2, $1.99. Now, the Dollar Tree does have a little hat for $1, but it's maybe a third of the size of this. This hat is huge. This is something that I will probably even wear to the beach. So I should have gotten two so I could have one for that. But at any rate, those are the items. So that's $2, $3, $4, $5 that I spent. Now, for this DIY, you will also need some cotton balls, which I already have at home. You'll need some chenille stems or pipe cleaners. I have plenty of these. I wanted black. I couldn't find my black ones, but the silver ones will work just fine. And you'll need some black glue, or paint. I'm using this black paint that I picked up from Walmart. These are like 50 cents for a little container like this. So, and also I have a hot glue gun on hand just in case. So first things first, I'm gonna move this hat back. What we will do is go ahead, and the reason I have the paint and these cotton balls is because I need to create a little black nose. So I'm going to put a little bit of paint out on here and dip it in there, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so as you can see, I put the black paint on the cotton ball here, and so I'm going to give that a chance to dry, and hopefully it will dry in time. So I'll put this to the side. Now, I should also mention that I have these little eyelashes that I already had here at the house. I don't know why I bought these from the Dollar Tree, but I'm glad I had them. So I will probably take out one of these ribbons to replace the eyelashes with this, so that it'll still be a $5 DIY. So, you know, in case anybody wanted to do this, you can see that you could still do it for $5. But I am going to probably add some more embellishments later. But okay, let's get started while that's drying with this one. Okay guys, so I kind of put things into place just so I can see how it looks. And one thing I am going to do is add, I have this little gem here that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I use these at Christmas time. So I'm going to just place the lashes on the rim of the crystal so that they'll kind of stand up. So this will be like the eyes. So here we go. Oh, sorry guys, I didn't realize you couldn't see that. So you can see that there. So then I'll put the eyes onto place. So I'm gonna just glue everything into place, and then I'll be back to show you guys the final look. Okay guys, and everything is all glued down now, and I think she's coming out really cute. But I want to add a little mouth, a little tongue. So I'm gonna take a leaf from a flower, just cut off a little stem there like that, and I think I'm going to tuck that right under there like that. Now that's really cute. Now let me just glue this down. I'm going to trim a little bit more off of it. I don't want it that long. And just glue that in there. And I think she will be finished. Okay, so cute. I think it turned out really, really cute. Now, one thing I will do is, so that's the look for $5. And I think it's really cute. Let's see if I can pan in here a bit so you guys can see while I lift it up. And I have a little bow there in the tails. Now, what I will do is I think I'm going to embellish this a little bit more. This is really cute for the $5 look, but you guys know I'm a little bit extra, and because I'm going to be giving this to my sister, I want to add a little more to it. So now let me show you guys what I'll do extra. We'll get one last look before I add in more items to it. But I think it's so cute already. So yeah, now let's embellish a bit more to add a little more fancy to it. Okay guys, and here is the final look with all of the embellishments. And I think she turned out so super cute. So I have her bow kind of to the side a little bit, and I made her ears to be a little wonky off to one side, just to give it some whimsy. But I think it turned out so super cute. I think I'm going to fill in her eyes with a Sharpie a little bit, just so they'll have some dimension to them. Just like that. Now that looks a lot better. So, okay guys, that is my DIY. And now I'm going to take this over to my sister's house and give it to her. And so I'll bring you guys along for that as well. And then you can see how she looks on the door. But I think she looks so super cute right now. So I'll be back when I get to my sister's house. And here is the finished wreath on my sister's door. I think it looks so cute. And she did too. She thought it was really cute. So yeah, I think it turned out really just super adorable. And I especially like the embellishments that I added to it. So cute. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. I hope that you have enjoyed this video enough to go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit the notification bell to receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. And for my faithful family members, you guys know the deal. I love you, love you, love you so, so much, and I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. And let me again remind you guys to be sure to go over and check out Miss Vee's channel and Bum Bea DIY's channel to see their DIYs and the playlist of all the other participants. Alrighty guys, I'll see you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye bye.